Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Southern Nevada EAS 379 here, along with
RKLD 599.
Rendering Radar 24.
TNN. Anderson 500.
and then you got the gamer with more. Alright, so today some of us are currently in standby mode because if you could see the time right there, 11:01 p.m. Pacific time. In about 4 minutes from now, Colorado is supposed to have their required monthly test. And we've got an EAS enthusiast from Colorado who will be monitoring the test with us and will tell us when the originator of this test will relay it, and it will go over KOA. So that's what basically the whole purpose of this video is going to be about. Stand by for the test, and I'll see you guys then.
Don't touch my.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system by broadcast stations and cable systems in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
And there you have it.
Got it! Got it up the stanchion.
I got
the 996.
I got off my Sanjian too. I actually just got it off my Sanjian. I was gonna have the 12-996 out for additional stations, but I couldn't get that. Y'all caught the test?
Yeah, I had to leave the call like right.
All right. Well, here's some additional people you missed in the introduction. There's EAS SoCal, Schomburg WX.
Hello.
Yeah, there you go. But anyways, that was the test from Colorado. Thank you guys for watching. More of this to come soon. I'll put these guys' links in the description. See you guys later, and until then, well, if you can see that, peace.